Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I wanted to get on and wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and I hope everybody was blessed yesterday. But you know what I went out and did? Got the 50% off at the Dollar Tree. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Now before I went to the Dollar Tree this morning, I went to the Dollar Tree, of course, the other day. I found some new items. I got a green shirt. This goes for one of my wreaths that I'm working on. And I got 3 red bags for little gift bags that I needed for Christmas. But this is the new items that are coming out. The collapsible storage containers. Okay, and I picked up 4. Now these will go for my bins for my arts and crafts. They had them in gray, I think a baby blue color, and one more color, and they had different designs. But y'all know I love gold, so that's the reason why I just picked the one that had gold. But I think in the front they have like a love, Love, and then another design with the stars. So these are the collapsible storage bins, and they really hold a lot. I actually picked up these at IKEA, and being that I only have a little small closet, I have them stacked on top of in my bedroom closet for my clothes that are off season. So if you can find these are a great deal. These for just about anything. So I know a lot of y'all are prepping and getting your house straightened up for the new year. I was up until 2 o'clock this morning rearranging furniture. I was ready to pull all this stuff down. But as you know, Ariana will be here Sunday. So I'm just waiting for her to come to get all this stuff packed. And I'm just glad that it's over with. Alright, so the first store that I went to was Walmart. Child, they was out there this morning at Walmart. I thought I was doing something by getting there at 8 o'clock this morning. People already had their push cartons, their buggies already stacked to the rim with all the Christmas that's 50% off at Walmart. So I said, well, I didn't really come in here for Christmas items. So I only picked up this PJ Mask, Colgate electronic toothbrush, and has the toothpaste, and it actually it has 2 toothbrushes, 2 electronic toothbrushes in there, and then it has a cap for the toothbrushes. And this is for my nephew Trenton for his birthday. He's a New Year's Day baby, January the 1st. He's born on my anniversary. And then they had bins and bins of these socks. They're marked down to $1.98. So I only picked up 1 pair, and they're very nice and soft too. So I got these for Ariana just to be walking around the house, because I don't allow any shoes, or you know, when you come in, you take your shoes off at my door. I don't allow shoes in my house. So I got those 2. Oh, I got a little candle melts to put into my burner. And they were regularly $3 and 50% off, so I got that for $1.50. This was $9.99, so half off was $4.99, $5. And then again, the socks were $3. No, the socks were $4, so I paid $1.98. So I spent about $8 or $9 in Walmart. I was trying to save my money for you know what store? Dollar Tree. Now, I went over to Dollar Tree first. At 8 o'clock this morning, I pulled up, and everybody know me at the store, and they came, and it was like, hell, we don't open it until 9. I said, I'll be back. So after I finished Walmart, I went back, sat in the parking lot, and they allowed me to come in a little bit early before 9 o'clock. Let me show y'all all the stuff that I got. Oh my God, y'all know I'm crazy about Dollar Tree. All right, so everything was 50% off. They had the Christmas. So I got these cute little towels. Should have probably got more of these because you can use these off season, you know, to dry your dishes and whatever. So I got these, 50 cent. Everything's 50 cent. I got my red dollies for when I make desserts and stuff to line my cake pans and stuff for decoration. I needed a bulb. This was the regular price, $1. I needed a bulb for over top of the oven. And I found one. They only had one gold ribbon. 50 cent. I was like, oh my goodness. I got the tissue paper, the red and green, 2 packs, 50 cent each. Because I'll be wrapping up a lot of my thrift glass that I found, you know, since September. I'll be getting that all packed up and putting in the boxes. Okay, that's another bag. And then they had the pipe cleaners, or the Chanel tinsel stems, you guys call them. So I got 4 packs. So 50 cent a piece, $2. And then I got them in green. And these are for my wreaths, and it don't make a difference what color they are because you'll hide those when you're doing your wreaths. So I got all of these. Then I got some nice tags. These were cute. 25 in a pack for 50 cent. And I got the giant bags because I'm packing up stuff to take to Charlotte when I head up next week for my newborn grandson will be here in March. So I got all his stuff that I want to pack up. And then Truly Bear's got to get her stuff packed up. And then I needed a bag for Ariana so she can take her stuff back. Okay, I'm just so excited to show you guys what I got. And then they had the giant Christmas books for the little crazy kids. And you know the kids are home from school for 10 days. So I got the reindeer one, Santa, another Santa. You get 20 pages in here. So this will keep them busy. And I got this one. And I may go back to get some more of these because these are good entertainment. When the kids are driving in the back seat of your car, this is great for them to have something to do. I know it's kind of giant, so you may want to scratch the driving in the car. But I got 4 for the little kids that come over, my little nephews, and Ariana will get one to have, and I'll take one up to Truly. So I thought that was cute. Alright, so while I was in the store, the girl came up behind me with a buggy full of these. So I got 6 of them. I'm not going to unwrap them all because I'm not using them now. And being that they're already, while I wrapped them in the store, because they was just trying to throw them in the bag. I was like, girl, these will be broke. And you only got, I took all of them, so. But I got 6 of them. And these will go on my table for next year. So they'll just stay right in the box. And I'll take them over to storage. And I'll have my glasses. I was hoping that I was able to find the plates and everything, but my dollar store didn't have them. I may get lucky and find them in Charlotte when I'm up visiting next week. Fingers crossed. And I'm going to show you my mom's tablescape. That she did the berry, you know, when they had the white plates with the berry on it, you know, this design on it. I'm going to show you my mom's beautiful tablescape. That video will be coming up. It's going to be really short because she's in Jersey and I had to film it, you know, through her camera, through my camera, if that made any sense. And we tried to get it as clear as possible. But next year I will be home in Jersey and be able to get her beautiful tablescape. My mom does beautiful tablescapes. That's, you know, I'm 50 years old and I'm trying to be like my mom. She has so much stuff. And I keep trying to tell her, Mom, just start your own channel. Just doing tablescapes alone. I ain't got time for all that. All right. So I'm going to be trying when she does her tablescape, that probably be coming up for Valentine's Day. I'm going to try to video it through her camera on the table. I don't know if that makes any sense. Y'all, I saved the best for last. I saved the best for last. My arm is killing me today. I got the whole tray. Now, my dollar store had maybe about 5 trays left. So I went through all the trays and, of course, empty one to get me a full box. She wanted just to put them in the bag individually. And I was like, nope, I need a tray. So I got, let me show you what I picked up. So I got this design. It's just like, if you've been following my channel, it's just like the silver one that I did the other day in the table mat, that design. And I got it in gold. Gold is my color, y'all. And then the other one, y'all didn't see me work too much with the gold glitter ribbon. Y'all see me do a lot of the silver. I think I only did one project, and that was the revamp of the thrift store vases that had the reindeer on it. So I only used like maybe 2 packs for that. But I bought 4 of these, 50 cents a piece, and I was paying $1 since September. But I needed them back then. And then I got the red one. Look at that. Look how pretty the red is. So, you know, we got Valentine's coming up, and this is the reason why I got so much red. And that is the only style. So I end up getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I got 25. This alone would have been $25. So I got all these for $12.50. And this is going to go a long way, especially Valentine's is coming. You know, we're all going to have a lot of projects to work on. And I have several things that I will be doing for the month of February. I'll probably start them in January. But that looks about, yep, that's about it. So I'm in the process of revamping my little small front room. I'll give you a glimpse. So yeah, I rearranged my furniture, and excuse me about I got everything all stand up. I'm trying to work on that stand over there. I moved the Christmas tree over here, and I have my desk that is getting set up just to do my YouTube videos. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. I had a lovely Christmas. Got everything that I wanted this year. I got my new iPad that you guys saw when I did the Black Friday. I had got 2 new iPhones to do my videos. I got my new laptop I had showed y'all. That's what I got for Christmas. And the big surprise, I'll be revealing New Year's, what I got for my bedroom. So I have a lot of exciting new things that are going to be coming up. So I hope you subscribe and join the family. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know, I love to read the comments. And remember, if you receive a special heart, not the heart that's already published on YouTube, but a special heart emoji that I put next to your comment, that means that I have fully read it. Just want to thank all the new subscribers. And you guys have a blessed day. And remember, if it ain't cheap, y'all get out there and get those deals this weekend, because we ain't buying it. Until the next, y'all stay blessed. Until the next video.